Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeover. So for today we are going to be tying this lace material. I'm going to be showing you how big it is. It's just 1 yard lace material. I think it's 1.5 yard. When I checked the head tie, it's 1.5 yard. Yeah, so in order for you to be able to manipulate a small head tie and make it look big, that is another different way. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that. Just keep watching and enjoy the video. So if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to like. If you're just joining us here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. So starting off, we just I folded the turban in a V-shaped style, and then I'll be placing it on her head, doing a 70-30 part head tie. So I'll be placing the longer one first because I want the front part of the head tie to be like a V-shaped turban. So I'm going to be placing the longer one first and then making sure it's well laid. I'll be asking her to hold it, then I'll be bringing up the shorter hand on top of the longer hand. So after that, I'm just going to pull everything up to the top. After pulling it up to the top, and then boom, you have your head tie. You just have to pin down, make sure everything is secure. Don't look at it as if it's not well laid. The head tie is perfectly sitting on her head, like it's firmly on her head. It's not loose, it's nothing like, there's nothing like that. As far as the way you place your pin is, if you're placing your pin, you want to twist the pin inside the head tie, no matter how hard you push it or how whatever you do it. If you're not doing it the wrong way, then if you're not pulling it with force, then there's no way your head tie is going to fall. So it depends on how you pin your head tie and also how you place it on her head. So as you can see, this turban, I did not tie any knot on it. I just used pin to maximize, or is it to maximize, yeah, to make sure the head tie, it's a small head tie, it's just 1.5 yard head tie, so I made sure it looks big. So that is it, guys. You just style it at the front and voila, you have your own lace turban tutorial for today. So if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell down below. This is Hadidi Makeovers. Once again, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.